Good morning, everyone. My name is Kanish Kalra. I'm a BTech third year student in Computer Science and Engineering. I'm contesting for the post of Technical Secretary. We are a technical institute aspiring to develop top notch scientists, engineers, leaders, and entrepreneurs to meet the needs of the society now and in the future. My vision with the Technical Council is to match up to the Institute's expectations of creating quality engineers and informed citizens. Given the current situation of the pandemic and the possibility of an online semester, it would be highly disingenuous on my part to state ideas and goals that are infeasible. However, this allows us to evaluate and improve upon whatever we have been doing in the past years. I've been involved with the Technical Council in one way or another since my first year. Initially, I was a member of the coding club, followed by working with the Tinkerers Lab. Last year, I became the technical management coordinator for the council, responsible for managing social outreach and other management tasks for the council. I also acted as the contingent leader for the Inter IIT Tech Meet 2019 at IIT Roorkee. Apart from these, I've been a part of several organizing teams such as Amalthea 2017, Blitzcon 2020, and JustNet 2018. I've elucidated several ideas that I would like to pursue in my tenure. I would urge you to go through my manifesto for the same. Some of the points that I can mention here is that I would like to work towards improving the collaboration of the council with other clubs and societies such as Quizzing and Literary Society, Filmmaking Club, the Shastra Socratic Society, and so on. The aim is to provide the students with an opportunity to think about the social, political, and philosophical impacts of the technologies that they're working on. This would also allow us to expand the reach of the council to other non-BTech students. I would also like to put greater focus on quality learning discussions and projects in the various technical clubs. Many times it has been observed that students join these clubs just for writing it in their resume and do not contribute anything to their clubs. This hampers the productivity of the club's activities. Another thing that I would like to mention is that I wish to expand the scope of the council to include other areas such as finance in the form of mini competitions and collaborations with other councils. I firmly believe that with the experience that I have, I would be able to take on and do justice to this Goliath task. You can always count on me, so please vote for me. Thank you.